So it's a very funny story actually. So I met Sid through Yash.
तो एक बर्थडे पार्टी थी मेरे घर पे, मैंने बर्थडे पार्टी रखी थी। नियति जो है 12 बजे आई, हैप्पी बर्थडे बोला, केक काटा एंड वो 12:10 को निकल गई। तो सिद्धेश ने सारी लड़की छोड़ के मुझे बोला, यार व्हाइट में एक लड़की आई थी, व्हाइट में आई थी, स्वेटर में, ऐसा कुछ उसने मुझे बोला था। आई वाज लाइक या नियति। उसने बोला यस आई लाइक दैट गर्ल।
He just brings a lot of positivity in my life and he keeps things very simple, like no taam jam, nothing.
But as soon as Sid came, we could just see the peace in her life. मतलब everything was settled, she was happy, and you just get to know, you know, कि मतलब things are going really well right now. So one thing about Sid was कि वो जो positive vibe आया from him that he brought to my sister's life was nothing compared to whatever he is as a person. He's very chill. मतलब he is just like an elder brother to me right now, if you would say. He takes care of everyone.
Yes.
Beautiful. Where's my glycerin? Where's my glycerin?
Gone on a wedding there in Andaman, and that's where Siddesh proposed to Niyati on the beach.
Also, actually, we both had proposed to each other. I had this thing in mind that Sid would propose out there, but he caught me by surprise. He outdid himself. He gave me 3 rings. He gave me one in the cab. So, because he thought he will he didn't want me to get a hint only about he's going to propose. Then the proposal was at Radha Nagar beach. It was perfect. And I knew that day I wanted to propose him, but he was behind me. You have to propose, you have to propose. So I didn't do it as per his choice.
Siddesh loves football. Niyati had booked a turf, and it was a surprise for Siddesh. So we all told Siddesh that we are going and playing a game.
That is something because he loves football. So I think at the end of the day, we both proposed each other exactly how we would have liked it. So everything worked out well.
When they started dating, जब उन्होंने मुझे अनाउंस किया कि भाई हम लोग डेट कर रहे हैं, अब हम सेट है, मैंने बोला भैया बस शादी की डेट निकालो। वो दिन है और आज का दिन है। I feel very happy and overwhelmed.
मराठी ब्राइड है ना, तो ऐसा क्या?
पहना ना, साड़ी पहना, सब पहना, और क्या चूड़ी भी पहना थी।
गजरा भी पहना, shit.
अब बस, अब ज़्यादा डिमांड मत करिए, अब समझ नहीं आ रही।
You have to come back to my house.
I'm your wife only now, relax. अगर सिर्फ नहीं रोएगा ना ब्राइडल एंट्री के टाइम पे, मिनिमम मेरे को 5-6 आंसू तो चाहिए। नहीं रोया, I will walk back.
When, like, as far as I knew Siddesh, when he cried today was something very, very special. And of course, like, it's amazing to see both of them together. They are the perfect part of the puzzle, and both of them are really, really, really great together. And we wish them all the happiness in the years to come.
So मैंने खुद ये प्रोसेस ही नहीं किया था अभी तक। हिट तो मेरे को जब हुआ था अभी संगीत के दिन पे when she did a surprise performance for us. मतलब उस दिन तो मतलब जितना सोचा भी नहीं था, I've cried a lot.
आज मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी का दिन है। मेरी बेटी की शादी हो रही है।
We completed 2 years yesterday and we got married today. Helps me to remember the dates also, so and I can proudly call you my wife officially.
Welcome home, Niyati. Officially, you're Niyati Naringarekar.
Lots of good wishes and lots of love.
You guys rock. You guys are great together. We love you both.
That is, any brother is never says I love you, Dee. I love you very much.
I will wish you all the love and support. If you ever need us, so please come to us, whatever it may be. Be happy, stay happy. Lot of love for you all.
जो बार बार होगा ही for sure is always her in front of dogs. That is there. She's very scared of dogs.
It's not her problem. It's just that she's always been around that you can scared of dogs. I mean, one day at a time. So I'm hoping like she's putting equal effort, so I think she'll come through.
But it is what it is. Do not ever call Snow a brother. He's a son. Snow मेरा बेटा है. Okay, Sid, I agree.